How to edit TikTok video after posting, and can you even do that? That's what we will learn in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now let's go ahead and open up TikTok.
أجمل ما في قدر
And let's head over to our
الله
profile right
أنه
here.
يأتي بعد أن تنقطع كل
Now,
الأسباب
say for
ولا
example
يبقى
that
في
you
قلب
have
العبد إلا
posted
الله.
a video
عش حياتك
on,
ولا ترهق نفسك بالتفكير، فالله
and
عنده
after
حسن
posting it,
التدبير.
you wanted to
تذكر
edit
أن الله جل جلاله قال
the video.
لعباده لا تقنطوا، وقال يعقوب
Let's take this video for example. Say for example that I wanted to edit this video. If I clicked on these three dots to open this list, I will see there's an option to edit the post, which is this one right here. But as you can see, it's unavailable right now because this post has been posted a long time ago. However, even if this option is available for a recent post and you are able to edit, you will not be able to edit the video itself. As you can see right here in my video, I have write some text, I have background layers, I have specific music for the video, specific video itself background. Now I will not be able to edit that as the editing has been done outside the TikTok app. And even if the editing has been done inside the TikTok app, for example, you are using the TikTok voice to text to speech voice feature, and you are using TikTok filters and TikTok backgrounds and writing the text on TikTok, you will not be able to edit it. You will only be able to edit things such as the caption right here, or uh, something like the thumbnail of the video, which is this one. How will people see it? That's what you will be able to edit. You will not be able to edit the video itself. You will be able to edit the things such as thumbnail, tags, and captions, hashtags, etc. So yeah, and the only thing that you can do is you can delete the video itself and re-upload it in a new edited version. So that was it for this video. That's how you can edit a video on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.